Hi everyone, how are you guys doing? I hope you all guys will be definitely fit and fine. And I Yashoda welcome back to all of you in my YouTube channel English with Dehati Madam. Friends, in this video I'm gonna talk about how to improve English by reading books. How to improve our vocabulary, how to enhance our vocabulary by reading books. Friends, in order to be a fluent English speaker, we must have to read book. Yes, friends, we have to read books. At least we have to read a single page of any kind of book. You can read any kind of book according to your choice. Friends, in order to read a book, you have to follow 4 steps. And in this video, I'm gonna tell you these 4 steps, that how can you apply these 4 steps, and by applying these steps, you will be able to read a book, and it helps in your pronunciation, and it helps in your practicing English speaking, and it must be enhance your vocabulary also. Okay friends, so in this video I'm gonna give you a demo that how can you use this technique, how you have to read a book. Friends, in order to read a book, you would have need a book according to your choice. You read love story books, you read novel, you may read newspaper, anything that you want. But if you are a beginner, then it's my suggestion for you that you have to start from the children's story books. And because the sentence and the word used in this standard are very simple and easy to understand. So friends, in this video I'm gonna tell you that how can you improve your English speaking by reading books. So let's get start our reading.
Vishakha is hardly 12 years old. She was in a very pensive mood. Her mother's birthday was approaching and she had very little savings with her to buy a gift for her mother. After all, how could she miss the opportunity of expressing her gratitude to her mother for being such a wonderful mother? She desperately wished that she was grown up and be able to work. Then she could buy her mother plenty of things as her father and her 2 elder brothers did. Her father was planning to give her mother an elegant diamond ring, and her brothers had already purchased an exquisite sari as a gift for their mother. Vishakha could have asked her father for some money to buy a gift, but she did not want to do so. Her teacher always said that the best gifts were those made through making sacrifices.
Now what you have to do? You have to underline the words which meanings are not clear, like this. Friends, after reading books, you have to take a notebook and a pen. And now, write those sentences which meaning are not clear. And now what you have to do? With the help of your mobile phone, with the help of your cell phone, with the help of your laptop, you have to search the meaning of these words on Google. In this way, you get the right meaning of the word. And now write down it in your notebook. Friends, when you search the meaning of this these words, then the right pronunciation of the words you also get. Yes, you can also get the right pronunciation of these words.
Pensive mood. 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 Pensive mood.
Friends, in this way, you will be able to get the right pronunciation of the word, and it also improve your pronunciation. It helps to enhance your pronunciation also. And after it, you have to take one or two words and try to use these words in your daily conversation for the whole day. You can converse with your friends, and you can converse with your family members, you can converse with your own self. Just you have to use these 1, 2, 3, how many you take the words, and you have to use these words in your daily conversation. Without using it, without using these words in your conversation, you will never be able to learn this vocabulary. So friends, if you want to learn the vocabulary, if you want to enhance your vocabulary, if you want to speak English fluently, then you must have to read a book. Friends, when we read a book, then our tongue also get habitual to the English words. And after 1 month of reading, we can perfectly read a book. We will never fumble. We will never stammer. And you can also see the results inside you when you are going to speaking, then how perfectly you can speak. So friends, I'm telling you that reading book is very important. You must have to read at least 1 page of any kind of book. Friends, I suggest you, because I'm also use this. I'm also read a book. If you don't have a book, then no problem. You just go on the Google and search a simple story book. And you can choose according to your choices. You choose adventure, you choose love story, you choose horror story. Choose according to yourself. And read the story on the internet. Online, you can read book. You don't need to buy any kind of book. If you don't have any book, if you don't have money, then there's no need of wasting your money. Your goal is to read book. So why are you going to wasting your money? You read book from your phone. And I think it must be helpful for you to enhance your vocabulary in your journey of being fluent English speaker. Friends, I think you getting my point. You are getting my point. And I hope you will be definitely read a book from now, at least a single page. You have to read a single page. You have to start this journey from a single page of reading book. Okay, friends? So, I think it's enough for today, and we will meet again in the next video. Till then, be careful, be healthy, and till then, bye bye. We will meet again in the next video. Bye bye.